If you are a facility manager or energy manager looking to take your organization's energy efficiency forwards, this video will explain how the ABB Ability Energy Manager can help organizations achieve its targets. These features are particularly useful for organizations implementing the ISO 50001 Energy Management System standard. This is the Energy Audit Summary widget. It is one of the most important functions because it enables users to understand where energy is consumed and where improvements and interventions should be prioritized. The widget summarizes predefined groups related to energy audits, supporting effective ISO 50001 certification. By grouping data into processes, general services, and auxiliary services, it is also easier to access and understand an organization's energy consumption data. The Performance Indicator widget enables users to check a range of different parameters within these different groups. It could be the amount of energy consumed or the costs incurred within a certain period. Once the parameters are set, the widget aggregates the organization's data to create a custom energy performance index. The Energy Performance Indicator monitoring widget then helps check the organization's performance. The ENPI widget can, for example, calculate the amount of energy consumed by a device or a group in relation to an entire building or a plant's production volume. The user defines the time period they want to cover. This makes it easier for organizations to define targets, and it helps users evaluate the effectiveness of their energy-saving strategies. Any energy management strategy needs to start with a clear plant energy baseline. For this, there are two main widgets. The Total Historic Data widget here enables users to check the total energy consumed by each asset to date, and the Energy Monitoring widget reveals trends in the site's overall energy consumption and production.